What did you notice?
The salt that I first dissolved in water reappeared when I heated the solution.
Exactly. And what is this process called? It is the same process when you dry your clothes.
I think I know this. The process is called drying.
Well, you're partially correct, but there is a specific term to this process. It is called evaporation. Let me tell you one interesting fact. Seawater contains many salts mixed in it. One of these salts is the common salt. When seawater is allowed to stand in shallow pits, water gets heated by the sunlight and slowly turns into water vapor through evaporation. In a few days, the water evaporates completely, leaving behind the solid salts. Common salt is then obtained from this mixture of salts by further purification. In this phenomenon, do you notice that one method of separation is not sufficient to separate substances? Therefore, two or more methods will be used.
So, just like when I was separating the mud from water, I had to do sedimentation, followed by decantation, and finally filtration to remove all the impurities from the water, isn't it?
Yes, son, that was a great example. Now, let's go back to evaporation. Watch this. If I keep this cold plate here on top of boiling water for a while and lift it, do you see the water droplets?
Oh, yes, this happens when you put the plate over the milk as well. I noticed when you bring warm milk for dad and me every night.
Right. What is this process called?
Mmm, cooling?
Close. But again, they have specific term. This process is called condensation. Let me tell you what it is first.
Okay.
Condensation is the change of state of matter from gas to liquid.
So, condensation is the process of conversion of water vapor into liquid?
Spot on.